Hey guys, doing a update video. This is Monday morning, West Coast time, doing a video on the energy sector today, November 9th, and the news came out and it was a monster move on the market because Saturday night is when they confirmed that President-elect Biden was winning. So the markets are just reacting now, and monster moves everywhere. And I'll just show you real quick. The Russell had, I want to say, the largest move as far as the big indexes. Russell was up 6%. I think it was up even higher than that. But the energy sector is having a monster move. It's up right now almost 16%. And it's a very big move outside the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands just contain with lines here, just show us where the up to 2 standard deviations, which is what I have plotted, but it just kind of gives you a guideline of what's a large move. And we are outside the Bollinger Bands, which just says it's a big move. ExxonMobil and Chevron, huge moves. Here's ExxonMobil, which is one of the stocks I'm a fan of. I'm going to remove the Bollinger Bands, but huge day. If you look at the 1 hour, it opened up real strong, pulled back, and then retested. Don't know what it's going to do now, but just wanted to point it out because if you look at the weekly, there's so much potential upside in something that's been beaten up so much. The energy sector has just been very beaten up, and I am looking for a big long-term move in energy, and this could be the beginning of a bottoming process which will continue to take time. And Exxon is one of the larger names. Used to be in the Dow, no longer in the Dow Jones Industrial, but if gas prices recover, which it looks like today was a good day for crude oil. Let me find if you look at crude oil, it's pushing 41 a barrel and looking strong, maybe a bull flag higher. If that's the case, that's going to say that we're going to have a recovery. We'll have to see. I'm not sure about that, but it does look bullish as far as oil prices go. The dollar is looking to hold that level that it was pushing last night. 92 is holding, so if that's the case, it still has a long way to go to base out, but it's holding. It did push down gold and silver. So gold is now huge push to gold, and it's at the what is that, 1850 level. That has to hold, otherwise gold's going to be in trouble. Same thing with silver. If it's threatening these 23 and 22 prices, that's going to be bad because it's had a big run up, and then the next support is around 18 and 20. So there's a battle being fought right now between the currencies. Bitcoin and Litecoin also were being sold off, but they have recovered. But the headline is this monster move in energy. Okay, I would expect a pullback after such a move because remember, the stock market gives 7 to 10% all year on average. And if you look at energy's done 2 years worth of gains in one day. So a pullback is healthy and normal. I reduced my positions, and I would love to get back in on a dip, on a bull flag. I still have some, but I'm looking to get more bearish on the market because the market itself is still very high. And if you look at what this move has done, we're outside Bollinger Bands on the monthlies and weeklies. Here's the weeklies, dailies, this is the S&P. And just usually that's not a very good time to put on new positions unless we're just going to break out. Last election when Trump won, we did break out. If you look over here, it did break out. Where is November? Oh, there we go. It did break out of the Bollinger Bands and made a huge uptrend. I don't know if that's going to happen here. I would not expect it. But that's where we're at right now. Huge move in the market. Big up move in the market, especially in energy. But things like Apple are not participating. Tech is not really participating. It's actually seeing weakness, which is a bad sign. So I'm going to distrust the move myself till further confirmation. But stay tuned. Stay tuned. We shall find out. And I'll just leave you here with this chart of energy, and we'll have to see what it ends up doing. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please like the video if it was helpful, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Cheers.